Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me on another video. And today's video is going to be very good because I'm going to be unboxing the Bose Quiet Comfort 35 or QC35 IIs, which is the second generation of the QC35s. Now these headphones are not new. They've been out for a while, and this is the second generation of the QC35, which the QC35 has to be one of the best noise canceling over-the-ear headphones out there. Now, you guys probably don't know this, but I'm not a big fan of over-the-ear headphones because I feel that they're too bulky. They don't do anything that I feel earphones could do for me, the normal ones, the cheaper ones, and a lot of times what happens is they feel very compressive on my face. So what happens is it kind of feels like it's trying to squeeze my head in, which I don't know if it makes sense to you guys, but it does make me feel uncomfortable. So, what I did was I decided I'm going to give Bose another shot just because everybody, including my dad who bought these, said that they were excellent, and they really, I tried it out, and the noise canceling is, let's just say, unreal. You can literally hear nothing, and I think that this would be an excellent experience. Just not even if you're not listening to music, just put them on if you want some peace and quiet, and it would be a very cool thing to have. So let's get right to unboxing. So on the front, you guys can see the plastic kind of tore off already a little bit. Just excuse that. We have the Bose headphones. So these are in silver. Just QC35 Quiet Comfort. We have a Bose logo over here. On the back, we have the product information, and this is a Google Assistant built in, so it does support Google Assistant fully, as well as Siri. So if you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this will work just as good with either one, and that's a very good thing. Another thing is that this is a truly wireless headphone, and another key thing is that you can use it wired as well if you run out of charge or something like that, which is always good to have, and most headphones do have that, so that's just a very cool thing. So let's get right to unboxing it. So today, luckily, I don't even need my unboxing knife. I can just start ripping from that torn piece of plastic. And let's get this. There we go. All right. So this actually is going to be one of the first Bose products I unboxed for this channel, and I actually haven't had a lot of Bose products. I've bought a few Beats earphones, and I'm just not that big of an earphone or headphone guy. I stick to one that I like, and I don't change it up too much. And if those break or they get lost, 99% of the time, I buy the same ones again. So currently, I'm on my second pair of Beats X, and before that, I was using a Skull Candy earphone, which I probably bought 10 or 15 of over the last couple of years. So if I do like these, I'm going to have to take really good care of them because I don't want to spend $350 again on these, which I probably will if I do like them. So let's open the box up. It's a pull type and Bose at the top. One thing I'm noticing right off the bat, despite Bose being a premium experience, it should be premium. One thing I can't help but notice is that Beats, they just do everything a little bit better. The unboxing experience is undoubtedly better. So just in comparison, the Beats Solo 2 that I did unbox, but not on the channel, I got those a while back before I was making these videos, and the unboxing experience on those, which were $200, was simply just so much more fantastic. It was that's the entire point of Beats, in my opinion. They give you that really premium experience off the bat. However, a little bit, I'm just seeing in comparison, I'm just letting you know what I feel is that off the bat, I feel like the Beats experience was a little bit better. But after listening to both, obviously Bose is the better one, but it's just, that's something I felt like you guys should know. So let me just open this up. There we go. It opens like this. And we have, oh, that's so nice. They include this little styrofoam sheet to protect from drops. And right here we have a download Bose Connect app for setup and slide the power button so that the app can find your headphones. Okay, so there is an app that you can use with the headphones. So what I'll be doing is I will be showing you guys how to set it up as well as I get it. So that's it. It just comes in a full case. So this is similar to the Beats as well. They also just come in the case, and everything is inside the case. So let me put everything to the side, get my phone, download that app, and then we'll unbox and look into it further. So I just got my phone. Let me put the Bose Connect. There we go. Once this app downloads, while this app downloads and gets ready, let me look at the headphone. So it comes in a very, very solid pouch. It's kind of styrofoam, but it has a little bit of this fake leather feeling material. It's very hard. It's definitely on the harder side, so it's probably good for traveling. So it does get so it's a little bit more durable. And there is a little sleeve here in the back. I'm guessing you could just slide in your cable or something quick on the go in the back. That's very cool. And let me just unzip this. And let's open it up. All right, wow. So again, another sleeve right here in this case, and here they are. So this is a 3.5, no, it's not. It's a 2.5 mm to 3.5 mm headphone jack. So that's odd. This is the first time I'm seeing a 2.5 to 3.5. So I'm guessing this has a 3.5 mm jack. Oh, all right. So there's a lot of protective packaging in here, so you guys can see this is protective. There's also a protective packaging thing. There's more right here. Wow. So they definitely did protect it well. And then there's this as well. So let's check out what this is. So here's that cable. I'll tell you exactly what that's for in a minute. And let's look at these. What are these? All right, so these seem to be a power cable. I don't know if this is charging. Yeah, it's supposed to be a charging cable, yeah. So it's a micro USB. So if you have a micro USB for your phone or just playing around, that's all it takes. So you can connect it to your charger and charge this up. And so this is the wired headset, I believe. The wired, yes it is. So this is odd. So one thing I'm noticing off the bat is that this does not have an inline remote for when you're using a wired connection. My Beats do have that, so when you use a wired connection on the Beats, you do get a remote inbuilt to the wire, so that's very convenient. This, oh, hang on, I'm sorry. Scratch all of that because there does seem to be a remote. Let me just open this up real quick before I say something that's inaccurate and I get hurled at by you guys. Oh no, I was right. So there is no inline mic or cable on this. So I'm not sure if these controls on the speaker will, on the headphones will work through the wire or they just work wirelessly. So I'll definitely check that out right now. And this is what I was talking to you about. So this is a normal headphone jack, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and this is the 2.5 millimeter headphone jack. So this is a little bit rare. It's thinner, and you're actually supposed to use this end into the headphones. So you're plugging it in here if you want to use wired, and this end to your phone or a flight or wherever you're going to be using this. So this is a little bit weird because I always, when I've seen these earphones when they're wired, the wireless ones, you have 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm. This is the first headphone that I've seen that has a 2.5 to 3.5 mm jack. So that's very interesting to see as well. And again, as I said, there's no remotes or controls on this cable. So I'm a little bit disappointed since a lot of people for the cheaper price do provide that. So let's look at the earphones themselves. This is what you guys have probably all been waiting for. And off the bat, I'll tell you one thing. They are extremely light. They are way lighter than my Beats Solo 2s. And I'm sorry I keep bringing those Beats up again and again. Those are the only other over-the-ear headphones I have, so I just keep comparing it to that. But overall, these are very light. The leather feels very soft and durable. It does not feel like the kind of leather that will flake off after some time. On the top we have, I'm guessing is Alcantara. I hope it is. I might be wrong, but it seems to be Alcantara with leather on the top. And this is the silver finish, so it looks very neat as well. So here on this side of the right side, so we have, okay, so very interesting little tidbit. So you guys can see in here, we have R and L on the pads of the speaker. So instead of having it kind of over here like most manufacturers do, they have it right here. So R and L. So on the right side, you have the power button. The power switch is actually the true right word here. So the power switch. On the other side, you have this button, which I think is probably going to be used for pairing because these two seem like the volume up, down, and the call answer button or the Google Assistant button. So that's cool. All right, and what else is there? So there's an NFC logo here too. So I guess you can it supports NFC. And there's a grill right here. I'm guessing that's going to be your microphone. Or yeah, that's just probably it. There's actually a lot of them, but I'm guessing this might be the one. So let me show you the app now, and let's see how the setup process works. So let me zoom in here. All right, I agree. La 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 la. All right, so let me turn it on now. It's turned off. So on. Oh, wow, that was immediate. All right, slide down to connect. Okay, that was impressive. That was really quick. That's W1 level quick. That's impressive, really. So just continue. Surprise me. No, continue. So you can name the headphones. So I'm just gonna keep it Bose QC35 because I'm just like that. Try them on. All right. Let me try these on. So it's asking me to try them on. So now they're on my head. Oh my God, I can't hear anything I'm saying. All right, try them on. So I'm gonna continue here. Featuring Google Assistant. Okay. Almost there. Blah 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 blah. And wow. Okay. What's my other option? Got it. Set it. Oh, awesome. All right, so let me just play a little bit of music here and we'll see what we can get. All right, guys, so I just gave these headphones a test, and off the bat, I'll tell you, I'm used to headphones and earphones that are a little bit more bass heavy, and the Bose is definitely not bass heavy. Now, that's not particularly a bad thing because the Boses never have tend to, in my experience, are never really bass heavy. They're a lot more balanced, and that's true in my experience with older Bose earphones and headphones that I've tried as well. So very impressed with Bose on the noise cancellation here because that's what I told you. The main selling point of these QC35s isn't the true audio quality. It's actually the noise cancellation because it cancels noise like nothing else I've ever tried. So I am very impressed with these Bose QC35s, and I would definitely recommend them to anybody and everybody who travels a lot because that's something that I'm gonna guess is where this will shine. The noise cancellation really does seclude you from everything around you. So if you're traveling a lot, be it on a train, on a flight, you're anything that involves a lot of travel, this will probably really help you and make you feel a lot more comfortable throughout your journey. So that's a very cool thing. As I said again, the quality of these earphones are definitely just out of the world, and they definitely feel nice, light, and comfortable. I don't think these headphones would give me the same issue that I've had with previous ones of where they kind of feel like they're squishing your head in. I really hope they don't, because if they do, then I would be really upset because I've paid a lot of money for these. However, that's a story for another time, and if I do find any other cool things or issues with these QC35s, I'll definitely make another video and update you guys on these. So if you guys want to see anything else about the Bose QC35s, or you want to just ask me some questions about it, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I'd be happy to make another video or answer your questions. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel for a lot more content like this. I create a lot of content similar to this, so be sure to check out my channel and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, all the social media links for my pages are down below. I update all the behind-the-scenes stuff, so definitely follow me on whichever platform you'd like. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.